Alright, here's a video of our garden here in Papua New Guinea. Here are our strawberries. And at the back here, we have our pineapples. And then this is our sweet corn. You can't find sweet corn here, so we're growing some sweet corn quite a bit. This is all the sweet corn. Here's some more strawberry. This is a pomegranate tree. These are clementine trees, and then a strawberry one. And then this tree right here is a clementine tree, or mandarin. This one is a guava tree. And we have more corn, another plot of corn. These two trees are avocado trees. And then here's some more corn. We have two banana trees back there, some more corn. And then some carrots back here with some pineapple. And then we're going to be doing some peas here. And then this right here is a lemon tree. And then an orange tree, if you can see the oranges up there. But yep, that's our garden. All right, go ahead.
Squishy. Okay, one too. It's this one. There's tons of ants on it.
All right, show me.
Uh-oh.
Look at that. That's got 3 ears on one. What in the world? All right, go ahead, buddy. Harvesting our corn. Yep, twist it. All right, good job. Pull, 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 pull. Pull, 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 pull. There you go. Now twist. Good job. That's a big one. We harvested some of our corn. Some of these weren't ready. We took some of those. But for the most part, got all those. But we still have this patch and this patch left. Alright, harvesting half of our corn. There's quite a bit. Alright, harvested 2 bottets so far. This one here, now this one. We have this one. 2 more left. Alright, let's harvest some corn. Let's see. Pick that one right here. This one's ready. It's a big one too. Whoa. Good job.
Right here.
Yep, those two.
Okay. If you say so.
That's a good one.
This one?
That's the one.
Oh, Dad, look! A big, nasty fly.
Yeah. Whoa. Twist, twist, twist. Alright, show me what you got. Whoa. That is a monster one. Oh, there's 2 on that one. 2 good sized ones on this one. Yep. Put that right there. Whoa, that is a good one. Good job, Serenity.
You gotta see this one.
You peeling one, Dadia?
You gotta see this one, Dad.
Alright, show me. Whoa. That is a massive one.